So a very catchy ending, a very catchy phrase altogether, with the story that will tie in well together with it. Alright? Would that be okay, Stephen? Good.
No.
For 2 minutes, it's okay. No topics. Great. Before you do that though, can you point someone to be your evaluator? Or ask someone to be your evaluator?
Anyone, please. Am I ready?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you. Stephen as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So, I don't think you need to go through two, just one positive, one negative.
Right,
So,
right.
Okay.
Timing signal from
I will do the timing signal because Cyrus will probably kill me. Thank you. Alright, I'll just pass it to you. Okay. When you're ready. Okay. Ready? Start.
Dad, why you name my name as Key? Because you had a life I gave you. It's a package. And it depends on how you unlock your life. And key is the perfect word for you. It means to unlock, to unpick this lock and find your life, your purpose, and everything. And it has a double meaning in Chinese. Key meaning billions of chance. Billions of chance is waiting for you to unlock. So whether you can be to live your life the way you want, or the way I want you to be, my dear son, you have to find a way. Find it out by yourself. Unlock it, unpick the lock, and express yourself. Place yourself in front of the world to make sure that you do something, mean something to yourself, to me, to everyone else. You don't want to be locked yourself in a package and that's it for the rest of your life. That's not the way to live. To live is a moment. It's for you to find that key to unlock your life. Until then, you're still my son, waiting for your opportunity to find how the world is going to receive you as a useful person or be a better person. And for me, my duty is done, son. I have to leave you now. And good luck. And there my son, my father, passed away. And that is the last word he gave me. The key to unlock your life. Back to you.
Very strong. Thank you. Good. Stephen, you okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.